Alright, I have several questions around this multiple wire crimps, which is a new feature in E3 2017. I've been struggling with trying to get this to work the way that we are expecting it to, and me and another fellow here have been up and down these settings and can't quite figure it out. So I just wanted to kind of review what we're trying to do and what we're struggling with. Figured a video would be the easiest way to show you guys. So I've read through all this. We have these boxes checked. So in here, went through this, and we don't have a problem having it work like this. We don't have a problem working like this. However, when we get to this area here, this second checkbox does absolutely nothing for us. All it does is keep putting terminal after terminal after terminal in here. And I can walk through a few things on here. First, I'll show you my settings and kind of let you know. Show you we do have these two items checked up here, which are using the model on the terminals. And I'll just grab, I think, this component here. I should have probably double checked this, but right now it's not set up to have either one of them. So I have these two wires inside of this device J1, both on the cavity position 1. And we call this a jump, where we have two conductors inside this one terminal here. And if I click this box and hit apply, you can see that it does allow us now to have two terminals here on that same cavity, where it puts one wire in each terminal. Doing this and hitting apply, it just goes back to that same setting, 6 and 7, wire 6 and 7, both in separate terminals. What we are trying to do is get to this state here where we can have two wires in one terminal for that cavity, and then grab a second terminal under that same cavity and put multiple wires in it. We've been playing with the different models attached to each one of these connector pin terminals in here and making sure that it can do multiples, and we're just at a loss, and we're kind of confused as to how you control or how you would hook up. You know, if you only wanted one wire in this term, but this one you wanted two wires, and how do you control how many terminals you can put per cavity? Just a little lost in the documentation. Any guidance would be appreciated. We have tried it on connector types. We've tried it on standard devices. I've tried it in form board and schematic. I've tried having these settings in the component level in the database, as well as at the device level in our project, every which way, and can't seem to get them to work. Not sure what we're missing here. Again, any help would be appreciated. Thanks.